Akwaba kese bi de ba ADOM TV so Adom TV so bedwendwumedi so de a okansiam sempa esa Kenan Opesu ejao medin de Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudie catch back pe the only nomenclature the professors Green Sports the Alregina Wallace and mesim kunya ekọ no kwanten kọ de nsema odo esa Kenan Opesu e wo Ghana agudiem 18 ba nkomo no edoso hye no so mam se Jeffers Health Limited o madama o de Jeffers edoi ehun sika na epienti komedi sa dwumedi kesi etejao Jeffers memanom emaso nom we abrantie severe waist pains etete odwonso a wote ya ewom sexual weakness wadwen premature ejaculation burning sensations out of fam rashes a good be ma prekesene low sperm count na tete one set make Jeffers edoi bia ebetia bo ma pomodon sem etia koyi we abaya so fi sabre ko na sisiade etete untimi to pan kono ni manachi menstrual disorders out of fam and afi abdominal pains we be kika white fit na so deep candidiasis na chewa edoi demolition exercise so ahimfie ne boa eme ho so twan sasante a chemeken miscarriage ne infertility ne hawa adwan abomodin da one set make Jeffers edoi bia ebetia bo prapro harawa ne mbrembo ho mo etimi di gina che Jeffers edoi in terms of sexually transmitted disease so edoi ba ko ebetia bo ma pomodon sem etia koyi no Jeffers Health Limited o madua me kanfo edi ama no bomodin da so do ni betia san chim Jeffers Herbal Center techima zungo traffic light na se Jeffers Herbal Center kuma sabre junction kings work Herbal shop kan struggling ewo enkrampuni mantama wa sabru fi otakwa mensa otakwa de market circle unique Herbal bugo so Colinac Fedimens ne dani pharmacy omina okuma se a wo akofa Jeffers bia besuma ma for ton bruta na eboa emapomodon 718 akoyi Jeffers asan Jeffers power capsules ene memedru edru ba kwa ya branti a ofadru etimi boa ma obo adwuma be se don hwero ha ne akiri na still ugusu gina so ebo adwuma bomodin da won setimi kan bebetia boa obetia fra Jeffers 0261319895 na one Jeffers Health Limited yen twetwen komo ne moa emaniema entimi entoyi enfamam Medimosis Clinic and Diagnostic Center for pain for the Abeshim, Chanusmam said 24 hours diagnostic center, Okoha, Ombetia Boa, 4D ultrasound scan, full color picture now pound Sabitia can, digital X-ray, and also for body pains, now mammogram, and also air for air breast screening. Okay, Kwani Chima, full laboratory investigations now, person general medicine, and dental care, and pro 91 tempaso, Oku PM El Medimosis for Kache, Bitia Shabwa, Emma Pomodon, some 18 Kuyi, as I the poster cure natural tea, Tian by, and also Boa, air prapra, Junso Mahrawa, Haubia. Ubian etimi yifri ho ne boa ema pomodon sem 18 koyi but Moses sankofa master tea ediaba eno so timi san boa the reduction of stress but modern da obeso jonso stress ni na gudi antempa so for wani chire mu Medimosis Clinic and Diagnostic Center for Akachina ne penfo eni so yemwa emanema 18 koyi fama Medimosis for akache no odo wani chire transaku for omo ehonum Zoom live nche honuma onsabetia ka Medimosis na etia boa denta ye ben bawa no hoso onsabetia ka na fekuma se asa ona mahene makoko bin road asa okobo ase no onsabetia ka Medimosis Clinic and Diagnostic Center obetia frame 0244068447 na one Medimosis for penfo ye ntwetwen komo mwa emanema entimi entoyi enfamao a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with the very first step Asia CFMV under 20 women's World Cup akensi kesia na me adoma mpemfo de chese sa akensi betia baso of France between the 5th and 24th of August 2018 ya and as such we dey kesi between Sabaso Ghana my wife from said the Black Princesses of Ghana omo na di fidu no a wo mo etia qualify for that tournament bisi sabri na nke mantego esom de omanitin sanchere camp dia osisi etimi ekopem so but me no twenkumo de otimi sampa wo mo sika sem eya ka kwantum nti ade a ema no gusu ofia wo mo started camping eno nam so emiani Yusuf Bazigi we head coach edema the Black Princesses of Ghana twenkumo ebisa papa say DNA koso e the Black Princesses of Ghana say omde omani 18 sanchere of France FIFA under 20 World Cup ase
say me mom obia time na me share every player and at least say me nya 1 month to Ghana you fan say this month ya na me ko camp me nya 1 month cramp na manya at least 25 players metimi aduomo so akọ campe amana one baby for some time na mahu terrain se ne sitie ene me training na nkasa na me pese me ye na me program no na matimi aye na me fi ho na se me masamba fie maybe I been out to be then no my sign for the final training tour and San Marco tournament proper. Intino, sempen for G2 na me ba and many me ya in fact tebe boa na yetimi aprani ye na bibia kosama ye. And yenya countries the likes of ABI in fact say UK, Spain, honum bebiano ebetimi aboa. But say yeah, call for pre-season there. Anywhere in the world, maybe there could be a pre-season there. It's just to prepare your team ansana training tour no so ye call Europe eno na ebe ma ye hu weather no se ne ebesi akwama yen na European type of football so se ne omo so ball no na ya sanya feel of it ansana ya call because any France ebe opening match into definitely I say ye ya hu boabo ni ye.
Yusuf Bazigi, head coach, Edma the Black Princesses of Ghana, Natin and Cancer Papa, Edison, Eja Ghana Food, Nasa, Munya Money and Waka Betia Bama, Komako Ghana Masoka Center of Excellence, Pram. Na omdia musisi tia kopums but me no twin komedie nyama akwatwe e dia mom Emma Mariani na ofi okọ omo counterparts bi se France for omo ne hostu sa tournament ya omo afiase ebo friendly matches akese bi anu betia saboa a sharpen e Mariani skills se be ya nyame adoma omo betimi amakruwa no etia komkrumo but oba Ghana ha dia otimi sempa empemfo eyemfumso dia otimi sempa suspension and after investigations in Kwan and Ecosu Kruma, but issues a bit na ya keteli situation and sana etia koboneno and odi air nan pimpin aben one time and so between aye dia man yege kan ni chire mu MTN FA Cup round of 64 ana yetimi esedu clubs makuma ko be 64 and omo hwe nim some dia kense ni between sapem senra omo de draw no 18 sapem so na eni kan na hwe sna hye ni esia kwa club ya nsa between 1500 Ghana cedis e dia bonata so dia hosesi e dia beginem e wo sa kense kesi between sa to Kotoko a draw with a Kou Youth Academy and House of Food so any Accra Young Wise for and the Kings in between some Pimps. Yamiadman Penfo just say between 24th and 27th of May 2018 and as Sanchi Chesson Queen Ebitia Basso Ket years of Kriku a MTN FA Cup Committee Chairman or draw National Papai Ekasai.
Given the turnout of the draws. So Mekaya FNA introduced to the zoning system. And zoning system no amayeja very very interesting pairings, most especially the derbies from a net draw no enya Tamale derby, Tamale City ni RTU, Brekum derby, Brekum Chelsea ni Arsenal, Techiman derby 11 was there against Techiman City and a few others, and I think say a bit pushy the adrenaline levels of Obia involved in local football, and that will lead to huge patronage at our games. We are very happy about the turnout of events. Surprises them, you sure say Galom, as the competition wears on, you will introduce you some new ideas. Indeed, some of the ideas now you used last season now, and so we'll keep up to those old ideas and ensure say FA Cup, MTN FA Cup, no, they say. Medical they to just say club bia benya MTN credits and Sika. I'm sure say all the clubs are very much informed as the competition wears on. Packaging may improve until the grand finale.
Ketias Okriku MTN FA Cup Committee Chairman Tibreke say Edema MTN FA Cup Committee no na ten council de komo 18 sejano Papa Esa Dopol as the executive chairman of Dreams Football Club na odin komo eja fasina nema besia koko northern region dia na se Sankara Nationals betun said their fair was untina FC no dia kinsina pemso Tamale City RTU be shese kan apa iso no Boga Soccer Masters betun said their fair Sarugu FC na omo dia pemso Upper West Ukuma na se AJFC FC womone wa All Stars be shese kan Brown half region Kentampo top talent betun said their fair Unity FC na Fibrikum Chelsea and Brekum Arsenal at the pemso Kenya se New Dreams FC betun said their fair Urban Boy City FC na Feduna Stars ne Young Apostles at the Bepem so Techiman Lefe Wonders and the Techiman City Bishes Kanafin so Odwani HS Sunyani DC United for Kachia, Womni BA United, Apostles of Pasoka, and they are can celebrate and boss. Above water region there, Bebeto FC Beton said their fair Quando out of France, the pride of Igbe, the Boboleji boys, now also their Kinsnet and Sampim, Sanson and Lepe Heroes, and the Wafa, their Kinsel Bosso, Akachi All Stars, Eton said their fair Agbuzume Weavers, now Omeshia, Eba Central region there, Mysterious Ebusiabon to Abon Drafts, so IDK, ID Pandi, Omnistar Madrid, they are can celebrate and boss na fe Unistar Academy, wo so ehwenim 7 Mpoasoman FC Bishia kan na fe Winneba United and Venom Vipers they are can celebrate so soccer intellectuals and Elimina Sharks and Eddie Elbow and New Horn. About Western region there, na se Base Paradise for Elton Cedar Friends Makoto Kosama Tesne Karela and the Bepem so OLCT FC Beton Cedar Friend Mediema Bibiani Gold Stars ne NH All Stars ne Bishia Kanafa Shanty region Odwaniche River Plate Athletic Club Akachia womne Asokwa Deportivo Bishia kan new Edubiase se yen konkwa wo any tender boat FCBC se kan Shandigo Football Club and the United be boss na fe Kumasi Asante Kotoko Prince Medukata Repan Bobubuko no wo so ehwenim se nyame adoma wo ne Oko Youth Academy dia Kings ne bepem so Greater Accra Mighty Jazz Beton se da fe Tema Youth number share na fe Accra Young Wise for any Accra Hassle folk na dia case no bepem so Interlies any Immigration FC bebo so na fe Emmanuel FC TB Joshua team no won so ne Nania Eyabedi Peli and dia case no bebo so Vision FC Michael Osekre de won so ne Liberty Professionals Santa Fe Soccer Lads ana Ebisha ni twa to kwa no Eastern Region matches Saudi betin se pimo no na se Kotokuru House won ne Medina Republicans and the bebo so na fe Dreams Football Club won so Isioma kan e wode Onyame Adoma won ne Bepo Veterans and dia case no ebetin aboso Nyame Adoma ebedi achi na fe hwese na hye de besi akọ e de ama omso dwumadi a won so ebetin esadi no de bi tumi srebo kra no eye akensie ba kwa fense CAF Confederations Cup na Aduana Stars for the ginem de den pa na no ada omni Asec Mimosa of La Côte d'Ivoire ene de akensie ne pem so a Medicine Battery na dama oposo Aduana Stars for atena kaba kwa wo mu antimi anti former Kumasi Asan ko striker ehye bo se Nyame Adom obe champion pa Aduana Stars for yehwe ema ne ehye o sa akensie kesinim ene Nyame ncha de Aduana Stars for some another opportunity a wo mu ne Raja Casablanca ene de akensie ne bitua sa pem so from Morocco na sa akensie kese no ana Aduana Stars for Ura Albert Ayite Yakomi o chief executive officer papai edin kwanhye ene bo hye kese pa ana eja the players nse be bitia boa na supporters nso abeto machi okwani senyina so na omudwumadi no so atimi akoyi.
I think that looking at the preparation we've done so far, it's not been bad. We are motivated, and I will tell you for a fact that the boys feel that they owe something for Ghanaians to cherish about. We're not going to leave anything unturned. We're going to fight. This is a war we must win, to just appreciate what Ghanaians have done for us. And we're going to fight till the last whistle, and they will know that Aduana will not let Ghana down.
Albert Ayite Yakomi ono chief executive officer edema Aduana Stars na atene kanse papa Aduana se kakra ede afasena nyama ebisi akọ de ama dwumadi a won so egusu edi no hye ne so ma mese wesu ne egina na ede ne so no atimi asi Medimosis Clinic and Diagnostic Center for painful o madama o de Medimosis naba bo modern da say 24 hours diagnostic center akopie mu a ye ma 4D ultrasound full scan eno color pictures na sabitia digital x-ray for all body pains and afi mammogram eno so for breast screening eno pa full laboratory investigations na peso ya ye betia san hwe nearly 30 diseases immediately na afi general medicine na peso ye and afi dental care and pro hawadwen a Monsanka Medimosis for Medimosis prostate cure natural tea etiansa ba yasan ede master tea so etiansa ba reduce stress akopiem ewo kwoni ne hye so madam fu isa Medimosis for akachia na se na pomodon sem enkoyi a na se isa de ni akire ho a wono so ekobobo bi na aboa ema niam etian kwedi man fa woni kire Medimosis for akachi ewo Trazaco Valley ho wo mo eben zoom line office no san so na wo mo so eben dental barrier no kuma se henema kokobin road as okobo ase no on sabetia Medimosis for from 0244 068 447 0244 068 447 na one Medimosis for payful yen twetwen komo yemwa ema niema enti enkuyi enfama sanso na Jeffers Herbal Center for payful at the Jeffers edui naba for Jeffers for 0261319895 na one Jeffers for payful enti enisa so yen hwe emwa ema niema enti enkuyi enfama madama woman etachiri boa emede nenso komo wa gukensim no etimi ebrewo wonderful director Steve Thompson adama when the TNSM PPS and Kumu Deboy, Emma Nema Etienne, hard working Sergio Manuchu, Nafi, wonderful crew, one so Etienne attached to do some Pempensui, woman now be a Etienne Sayade, but yes, so sweet, na Shanasubu F. Mammy, so rest of Nema is here, Quanyamiatum, Naswachina, and set me can commodity viewer, Yabessa Edia Bro, honorable Esidu, or Sahibaquai, and we heard him say Quabias and NDC organizing a position, LBBNI, Ariaso, El Heshiaso, Babino, obeying Aje Edisi of Social Sesso. Now, Huma, there's a honorable, Ujumedia Udino, we are one of the youngest politicians are Jumedia Udia Nese Quenimpa, Namanfo social names and Yamiadoma, won't be a team so diabwa, and my honorable Esidu, Sefi, Bequai, Yama etimi Aquadiama, fantastic morning, and Komo Bibi, Amidin the Enoch, Kwesi Walanyo Wallace, a good year catch back up, the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports, the Alregina Wallace, and I'm a general Equan Quantum Coding Kumahodo and Sakanano Pencil, our Ghana good year by. The act of being a good guest is to know how to say goodbye.